Today,
Remember Incineroar in the box?
yeah, Incineroar in the box.
We
and
changed his name to
ignoring Vern. Yeah, we changed the name to Jolteon.
We changed his name to Jolteon. And
Look at this, guys. Insane.
Babies.
Wait, can they see that clearly? Wait, move.
There's 5 babies so far.
My fans deserve.
But Fiery and
This?
Fiery.
Oh, look at that. They're so cute. Guys, you guys can't see the
Wait, let me
cats.
see.
Yeah.
Fiery, Eevee.
Fiery Eevee, Pichu, Vulpix, and Eevee. Again.
Vulpix and Eevee. And we also have
Remember, guys, the video is just turning on the lights.
You know why we put him outside, guys? Because he was coughing and we couldn't go to the vet. And
Here it is, guys.
was concerned
Look at that. Look at that.
version attack. And our first baby's not
Shut the door there. That's technically it, guys. Peace out.
Wait,
No, I'm just joking. You guys already wrote on that.
I'm so happy that we have kittens.
Bernie, should I make a video?
No.
Aw.
In their video.
Nice.
Don't worry, I'll upload this in your channel.
Yeah, upload it in your Bernie's
You will
channel.
hold the camera for a while. Yay!
And I like to. Okay, wait, Errol, we only made this video just to show them the cats.
we're also gonna burn my hand.
What? No, don't do that. Okay, wait. Let's look at the kittens again, guys. Oh, there's my Fiery. There's a Fiery. It's adorable.
Move, my turn. Move, big bud.
You wanna try getting the cats?
No. Oh, look at them. They're really so cute.
Wait. Guys, I only have 4 minutes and 30 seconds to film.
Oh, 4 minutes and half a minute. So guys, you guys need to subscribe this video. This is okay. I once got.
Wait, why are you guys saying no?
Hey, guys.
Why are you guys saying no?
Wait, guys. You see
Wait.
this box over here?
Yeah, what about it?
Oriental punch. I'm gonna mail myself.
No, let's put the cats in there. I'll film for you. Okay, go.
Close it.
What the heck? What the heck? The heck?
Hold on. This is not mailing myself to China.
China. No, man.
That's
Let's try to
hard.
get the cats. Let's try to get the cats and put it in here.
It's hard because Jolteon is on guard.
You know what? Okay, it's almost the end of my time. I'm gonna end the video off here. Let's all do our peace out booms.
Everybody.
Wait.
Everybody. Boop, bop, beep, bop. Everybody.
Peace.